In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email address in Mailchimp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Mailchimp homepage. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Profile. This will take you to your profile settings where you can manage all kinds of things, including your email verification. After you've accessed your profile settings, the next step is to navigate to the Domains section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to verifying your email. So take a moment to locate and click on Domains. Now you should see an option that says Add and Verify Domain. This is what you'll need to click on to begin the verification process. It's pretty straightforward, but if you're doing it for the first time, just follow along closely. Once you've clicked that option, a new screen will prompt you to enter the specific email address you want to verify. Make sure you type it in carefully to avoid any mistakes. This email address will be used for your Mailchimp campaigns, so it's important that it's accurate. Once you've entered your email details, the next step is to send a verification request. Look for the button that says Send Verification Email and click on it. This action will prompt Mailchimp to send a confirmation link directly to the email address you just entered. Now, the waiting game begins. Open your email inbox and keep an eye out for the Mailchimp verification message. It shouldn't take long to arrive, but if you don't see it in your main inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes these emails can be a little sneaky and get filtered away. When you find the verification email, go ahead and open it. Inside, you will see a verification link. Click on that link to finalize the process and confirm your email address. It will typically take you back to Mailchimp, and voila, your email is now verified. So to recap, you went to Mailchimp, accessed your profile settings, navigated to the Domains section, added the email address you wanted to verify, sent out the verification request, and clicked the link in the email you received to confirm. It's a simple process, but crucial for ensuring your emails reach their intended audience. If you have any trouble while going through these steps, or if Mailchimp is being a little tricky, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. They are very helpful and can guide you through any issues you might encounter. And that wraps up today's tutorial on verifying your email address in Mailchimp. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more tips